Would you like to earn money online by clicking? Watch this video till the end, and I'll show you step by step how to earn money online by clicking. You can do this from your smartphone, PC, or any device, and this works all around the world, no matter where you live. I will show you how to sign up for free, how to earn, and how to withdraw our earnings. But if you watch this video until the end, I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earning. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now, because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. First of all, go to this website called rewardingways.com. They have been online since 2011. They have over 10 years of experience in operating a legit survey site. But don't go straight to this website and try it on your own, because you will lose your time and probably can't make big money. You can earn money with this website by watching videos and taking part in paid trials, surveys, and offers. Doing those simple tasks will get points that you can exchange for real money. Here you can see Rewarding Ways is a legitimate survey site that allows you to earn extra money online in your spare time. Work from home, at work, in your lunch break, or from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection you can be earning. They offer access to thousands of survey opportunities every day, quick payments with an average payout time of 4 hours. A low minimum rewards threshold, so you can cash out with PayPal anytime you earn over just $1 on our survey platform. They are one of the quickest paying online survey sites, giving you access to the best online market research companies providing high-paying surveys. Your sign-up bonus is added automatically when you join free. You could be requesting your first cash payout in 10 to 15 minutes. You are paid for every single survey you complete. The average survey will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete and pay anything between 5 cents to $5 per survey. Longer surveys may take up to 30 minutes but can offer higher rewards. Now the very first step is to click on the Join Free button right here. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Simply enter your first name, last name. Enter your username, which must be 4 to 25 characters. Then enter a strong password, repeat it, then enter your email address, repeat again. After that, fill in your mailing address, enter your payment account, and click all of these boxes. After that, solve this easy CAPTCHA and click on this register button right here. When you log into your account, it looks like this. Now simply hover to earn money and click on the daily paid survey right here. Once you click on this, you will land on this page. You will find so many surveys. This survey is easy to do. Simply click on this title and complete them. After doing this successfully, you will get points which you can exchange for real money. Now I will show you how you can exchange it. After doing this survey, simply click on Offer Walls right here. Then you will land on this page. Here you can see so many boxes. You can earn money by installing apps, signing up for a website, and so on. Now click on Offer Toro from here. Once you click on any box, you will access this page. Here you will find many offers. You can filter it by mobile apps, desktop, and others. Simply click on the green button and do the required task, and you will get points by doing it. After collecting all of those points, simply hover on Reward, then click on the Convert Point button. You can convert your point to real cash from here. Now click on the Withdraw Cash button. Once you do that, you will land on this page. You can withdraw your money when you reach only $1. You can withdraw your money via different payment methods, and the cool thing is they claim that all payments will be instructed within 24 hours. So you don't need to wait for a month or a week. You can withdraw your money daily. Now simply click on the Referral button. You can see Get paid a massive 25% of your referral earnings, so that you can earn money by doing nothing. If your referral earns $100, you will get $25. If you achieve only 4 referrals and earn $100 each, you will make $100 by doing nothing. Now copy this link and go to facebook.com. Here you will find many Make Money Online related groups. Simply join those groups and post to the group with your referral link. You can now tell me what to write in the post. Don't worry, I'm making it easy for you. You may say in the post, if you want to make easy money online, then sign up to this website by clicking this link. Your link will reach thousands and thousands of people by posting to this group. Can you imagine how many referrals you can get from there? Simply think about it. I think you can imagine. However, after posting in 5 groups like this, go to a website called aspirational.com. If you notice, countless people are sharing their referral links on Facebook. Now create a post from the Post Thread button right here. By doing this, you will get a lot of referrals. But wait to post here, you must open an account first. To open an account, you simply click on the Register button. After clicking here, you have to enter your username, then enter your email, type a password, enter your location, then verify CAPTCHA and click on the Terms and Condition box. Then click on the Register button right here. Now you can post here with your referral link and enjoy your passive income. Now I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we start, give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also hit the bell icon to make sure you definitely won't miss any of my future videos on making money online. Now let's get started. The name of this website is Priceable.com. Many big companies like eBay, iTunes, Visa, Amazon also trust this website. If you want to work on this website, you have to sign up first. You can do this through Facebook. But if you don't want to do that, then you have to enter your first name, last name, enter your email address, and type a strong password and click on this red button right here. After that, you're going to get an email to confirm the email is correct. So make sure that you use a valid email address. Now I'm going to show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard you're going to see. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of ways going on here. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So what I want you to do is, if you focus up here on this Earn button right here, I want you to click on Earn and the drop down is going to come up. Now click on Offer Walls, and as soon as you go to Offer Walls, click on this button called Offer Tarot. When you click on that, you will land on this page here. You can see so many tasks to do in this category. You need to install those apps. You can see how many points you will earn by installing those apps. You can filter it by mobile apps, desktop applications, and surveys. You can find some popular apps and games also. The very next thing you need to do is going to win. You're going to click on the win. Then click on the raffle. This is an incredible way to win free stuff. You can win gift cards from here. Here you can see a lot of raffles going on. And you can see how long these raffles will be active. And if you scroll down, you can see what the upcoming raffles are and when they will come. You can see some of the raffles are over here in the recently ended raffles section. To participate in raffles, you simply need to click the Enter button and you have to follow their instructions. After participating in all raffles, you need to click on the Contest button right here. Now this is where the fun starts. You can win these contests. First of all, there's not a lot of competition in these contests. Second of all, it takes most of these people 40 to 50 minutes a day to rank, and it's very easy to earn all of these points like those people here. Now, if you live in the United States, there are USA-only surveys that you can win some really fun money. But if you are not from the US, then you do not need to worry. Below is another option, which is for international people. You can see here the International Surveys contest, so anywhere you live, this is for non-US based users. You can participate here. If you are not from the US, it's very easy to do. Anyone can do it. You only have to ask a few questions. You just have to answer those questions. When you answer all of these questions, the survey will be completed and points will be added to your account, and again, all of this is free. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.